offering should be bigger than the tithe. In a month, your offering should be what? Bigger than your tithe. Tithe is 10%. Offering.
Away, my people, nothing wey Musa no go see for gate. Oh, this pastor don break table leg finish for im members body. Oga pastor, wetin dey yarn na? Hey, my people, how can a pastor come out nowadays wey be say Nigeria e get as e be? Bag of rice na almost €100. Na some coins na dem come give you for inside the €100 wey you go give them. Say you wan buy bag of rice. Na this pastor come and say 10% for a tithe wey dem go dey gree. Abi I no know as e take talk am, my people. Then 20% for wey dem go dey give am. Can you imagine? That one no be 30%. He say suppose no. When I hear this video, my people, I need to bring am come for una. You see those people wey be say they just carry church put for head. Hey, I pity una life. Una pastor just dey enjoy with una money. He dey buy jet, he dey buy new cars every month, every time. He dey fly up and down as he like. You see those of una wey be say una go dey give una money. No una money, but make una still dey use una brain. The country wey be say una put church put for head. See the way the country be. Abroad no be like that. Now these people wey be say oyibo na make us know say church this one, church that one. They no carry am put for head the way one take carry am put for head. No, then they give the poor people. You see this our church people, all these pastors then wey be say they be fake one, because fake one then they collect for the people wey be say e poor. Say they feed their pocket. Can you imagine wetin pastor just talk come out from mouth? How can a pastor come out come dey tell the people, come dey tell the members say e money wey be say dem dey put for you, e suppose to dey collect less than 20%. E suppose to hide than that one. Can you imagine? Person wey go work, wey maybe e suffer, go work, or e body dey pain am, e go carry 30% of that money, come carry go give church. Hey, whoa. Na what for una? Na what for una? Pastor dem, make una so free. Una supposed to dey give the poor. No, but una dey collect for the poor. Take dey buy car. All una members, then they use leg take dey waka. Hunger wan kpai dem finish. Una no care, una no even dey see that one. Nowadays, na Nigeria, they no fit buy something for market again. Una still dey make dem dey bring come. Now una no know all those people. I not to blame una. Now those people wey be say they no know wetin dem dey use money take dey do. Where they come be say they come dey carry and they give una, because you fit stay inside your house, carry your Bible, they pray, ask God wetin you need. You no need to go church for that one. They don't wash their brain finish. So now wetin their pastor talk, na they come they do. If their pastor say make them sit down, they go sit down. If their pastor say make them not eat, they not go eat. Can you imagine? Person like you, where be say get mat, they pray. You not come get your own mat, you want to pray. Pastor say make una increase am. Hey, whoa, this pastor, you not go make heaven at all. You not go make heaven, because you supposed to they give them, not be to they collect from them. Some people there now, when they don't give pastor finish, go church, their money, they'll come, they find money where they want to pay house rent. Or in the name of say, our pastor say, make we increase the tithe where we say we they pay for church. Can you imagine? Who mumu pass? Not be those one where we say get the money, they go the western. Una western, or una pastor children, na abroad na they come they go school, na abroad na they come they do everything. Una way they be say una go they carry on money, go they give pastor, una still dey backward, una dey there. Una know they wake up for sleep. All those our people, make una wake up for sleepy. Make una not let them to deceive una again. Wetin be all that? You go work. You never even eat the money. Pastor come they tell you say, see the way you want to share your money where you go work. Come. Hey. Not the way Musa no go see for inside all these pastor. Some of them hands. If they see their member, rain they fall, they go pass. They go say, I beg, may use leg till the waka. So may they come they increase. Oga pastor, now so they tell they do Now they're supposed to they give you. You know they give. You know they give them. Because of someone don't wash their brain. Anyway, my people, may I put this video more than watch? Help me to share this video now. Bye bye.
The offering should be bigger than the tithe. In a month, your offering should be what? Bigger than your tithe. Tithe is 10%. Offering should be bigger. Now, for instance, tithe is what? 10%. My offering, for instance, I don't give less than 20%.
I believe that you don't have to be a Christian to have conscience. One of the most important things that God gave us as human beings is conscience. Even people who are not Christians have conscience. And that conscience judges them when they do something wrong. Even people who don't believe in anything in this life or any God, they believe in humanity, they have conscience. Talk more of you who is a Christian. And you are not just a Christian, you are a pastor. And you don't have zero conscience. Like if you collect 20% offering and you collect 10% tithe, is that not 30%? Imagine somebody struggling in a country like Nigeria that we have a lot of people struggling. Imagine people toiling every month and counting 30% to give to you. Haba, have mercy now. Have mercy. Where is your humanity? Where is your conscience? Let's even assume that you are not a Christian. Where is your conscience? Then you are a Christian, a religion that stands for love, for humanity. Haba, have mercy now. If person give you 30%, I won't take pay children's school fees. I won't take pay rent. I won't take solve family problems. Haba now. You people should be coming down. You people should be checking this thing. Use your conscience and be judging this thing. This thievery is too much. It's too much. Haba. Have conscience. Have fear of God. You are using God's name to steal. Have fear of God. Fear quoi? When someone say church is a business center, you feel triggered. You feel angry. But every Saturday you are walking around with flyers trying to convert Christians to your church. Even when you are aware that they are Christians and you already have a church that they go to, you are walking around giving them flyer and telling them to come to your church because your church is solution center and your church, your pastor is powerful. You know what it reminds me of? Marketers. Marketers, bank marketers, going around knowing that people already have bank accounts, but trying to let you know that you can open an account with them, even though they know that you already have a bank account. And what does bank do? Business.
In a month, your offering should be what? Bigger than your tithe. Tithe is 10%. Offering should be bigger. Now, for instance, tithe is what? 10%. My offering, for instance, I don't give less than 20%.